When you think of wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, ANC, customizable EQ, and a low-latency gaming mode, you probably imagine a hefty price tag. But TOZO's NC9 2024 is here to challenge that notion. Priced at under $30, these earbuds pack an incredible punch, delivering features and performance that rival models costing 3 or 4 times as much. First impressions matter, and the TOZO NC9 makes a solid one. The charging case is compact, lightweight, and features a matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges. It feels sturdy and well-built, with a secure hinge that snaps shut with a satisfying click. The LED display on the front is a standout feature, offering real-time battery stats for both the earbuds and the case. This is rare in budget earbuds. The earbuds themselves are designed with comfort in mind. They're small, lightweight, and ergonomically shaped to sit securely in your ears, even during long listening sessions. On the durability front, the NC9 boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, making it resistant to sweat, rain, and minor water exposure. The TOZO NC9 features Bluetooth 5.3, which provides a fast, stable connection with minimal dropouts. Pairing is seamless. You open the case, and the earbuds are ready to connect. The TOZO app adds a whole new layer of functionality to the NC9 earbuds, making them feel more premium than their price suggests. With the app, you can customize the EQ to fine-tune the sound to your liking, switch between ANC and transparency modes, and even adjust the intensity of the noise cancellation with a handy slider. Gamers will love the ability to enable low latency mode with just a tap. Plus, the app lets you customize touch controls and check battery levels. Let's get to the heart of the matter: sound quality. The NC9 is powered by 10mm dynamic drivers paired with TOZO's Orex Acoustic 2.0 technology. The result? Crisp, clean audio with a balanced sound signature. The bass is tight and punchy, perfect for hip-hop and EDM tracks, while the mids are warm and detailed, bringing vocals and instruments to life. The highs are bright and crisp, though they can get slightly sharp at higher volumes. Overall, the soundstage is surprisingly spacious for earbuds in this price range, offering a sense of depth and directionality that's great for both music and movies. But here's where the TOZO NC9 truly shines: customization. Through the TOZO app, you can fine-tune the EQ or create a completely custom profile. The app makes it easy. There are also several presets to choose from. The hybrid ANC on the TOZO NC9 is a game-changer for budget earbuds. It uses both feed-forward and feedback microphones to block out external noise effectively. During testing, the ANC excelled at reducing low-frequency sounds like engine hums and air conditioning. The app lets you customize the ANC intensity using a slider for noisier environments. There's also a wind noise reduction mode, which proved handy during outdoor use. Transparency mode is another win. It uses microphones to amplify ambient sounds, so you can stay aware of your surroundings without removing the earbuds. This mode is perfect for quick conversations or navigating busy streets. The sound feels natural, without the overly processed effect you often get in budget models. Call quality is decent, thanks to 6 microphones and environmental noise cancellation. While it's not studio-level clarity, it's more than good enough for phone calls. For gamers, the low-latency mode is a standout feature. This mode significantly reduces audio lag once activated via the TOZO app or touch controls. During my tests in mobile games, like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG Mobile, the latency dropped to 50 to 80 milliseconds, which is barely noticeable. This mode enhances video streaming, ensuring perfect lip syncing on platforms like Netflix and YouTube. Battery life is another area where the NC9 stands out. You get up to 14 hours of playback with ANC off and around 7 hours with ANC on. Combine that with the charging case, and you're looking at a total of 59 hours. The case charges via USB-C and takes about 2 hours to charge fully. While it lacks wireless charging, it does support fast charging. 10 minutes of charging gives you an hour of playback. The TOZO NC9 2024 is a perfect example of how far budget earbuds have come. For under $30, you get premium features like hybrid ANC, a customizable EQ, low-latency gaming mode, and outstanding battery life, all wrapped in a sleek, durable design. While it lacks wireless charging and advanced codecs like aptX, these omissions are easily forgivable, given the price. In short, if you're on a budget and want earbuds that do it all, the TOZO NC9 2024 should be at the top of your list.